You with the cannon.
Perfect.
All right, it says it's recording.
Okay. Fire the hole.
Oh, right now?
Yes. Oh yeah.
You're losing light. We gotta do it now.
Gotta get a
Fire
little
in the
light.
hole!
Wait. Cover your ears. Get out of the way. Oh yeah. Oh, it's good. Got plenty of time.
So what are we packing in that one there?
Itsy bitsy pipe bomb.
Nice. How much black powder in there?
Well, I don't know. We didn't really measure it. It was like about a 3-second pour.
Nice.
It's gonna be loud.
That's what we normally do.
Really
You
loud.
probably want to cover your ears. Yeah. Can we get the camera on?
I don't think so.
Dude, would you put a 10-minute wick on there?
Oh, it's a good 1.5 feet. No, I don't think so.
No, this should be fine right here.
As long as your clothes can handle a little frosting, you'll be fine.
Yeah. Fizzling. Ready for a jump here.
It's got another 6 inches to go down inside, and I'm not sure that the frosting's not going to foul it. So, as long as it's smoking, we're good.
Yeah.
I thought I saw it take the charge down. Is that okay?
Yes.
If you want another one done, just bring it to us.
Cake for everyone.
Cake it
All right, Tristan, you want some cake? Come on, let's get some cake.
It's a little smoky, but it'll be good.
Come on, we're gonna get this.